We are in Xiluo, Taiwan, and we're going to show you the fun things you can do here. Our first stop is Xiluo Yanping Street Cultural Center. This place used to be a tea shop.
There's an abacus. I don't know how to use one, but I know they use it for math.
Here there are a bunch of tea leaves, and this is 0% fermentation, and it goes all the way to 100% until the final product. You can lift each one up and smell it. So yeah, this one smells way stronger. And here's a model of the famous Xiluo Bridge. There's an art exhibit going on called Manzhuang, so we'll go up and see it. This seems like Taiwan's version of contemporary art. This looks like a portal to another dimension. Here's a guest book where you can sign your name in Chinese. Wow, there's a bunch of antiques here on the third floor. On the wall there's a QR code and there's Chinese and English. So when I scan the English one, it leads me to a website which has information about this place we're in. So one of the things it says is that this place was built in 1935 and the ceiling has a traditional wooden structure. And yeah, you can basically do a self-guided tour of the place. These are old stamps and they're used to verify the authenticity of the tea.
Here's a wishing well, and I think people used to throw coins down there to make a wish. Now they sealed it off so nobody can really throw coins, but you can still see some.
And that is the Xiluo Cultural Center.
I really like all the different types of artwork and structures.
One great thing is the QR codes, which you can scan and get a self-guided tour in both English and Chinese. And this is a cool place to learn about the history of the town of Xiluo. We're at an old rice shop and we're gonna go in for some green bean slushies. Whoa, look at all these little grains and beans. Look at like the structure and how old it is, but it kind of makes the place look nice. Now we're at Wanzhuang Soy Sauce Museum. Wanzhuang Soy Sauce was founded in 1909, and good thing we have our mom here because I don't understand too much Chinese, so she helped translate what the tour guide said. And so basically they use black beans for soy sauce here because it's more authentic than soybeans. There's a whole process to making the soy sauce, and part of it is the 6-month fermentation. And that's what sets it apart from soybeans, which only takes like 3 days because they add a bunch of chemicals to it, but this is more natural. And the reason why Xiluo has so many soy sauce companies and productions is because supposedly the weather here is better than anywhere else for making soy sauce. Inside this barrel, there's soy sauce, which sits for 6 months, and it's surrounded by salt on top. For 300 NT, you're able to make your own soy sauce here and take it home. At first I thought these are samples, but they're actually just hand washing stations. And that is the Wanzhuang Soy Sauce Museum.
I really like how you get to learn more about soy sauces, I guess, and how they are grown. I didn't know that they could be grown from I just knew soybeans. I didn't know there was black bean soy sauce.
My favorite part was going outside and seeing all those pots of soy sauce being fermented. And also this orientation room with all the AC. Oh my gosh, this is the best place in town. They also sell soy sauce ice cream next door. In this square in the middle of town, there's a mini version of the Xiluo Bridge, which is what this town is famous for, their red bridge. This is the famous bridge of Xiluo. We're checking out Dongnan Night Market, which is only on Sunday night. This is a pan-fried dumpling place, and you can get 5 dumplings for 30 NT, which is under $1. So this is like some sort of bun with fatty pork. Is that egg and veggies? It's so good. Oh, and peanuts.
For 56 NT, I got 7 Xiaolong balls.
This is the fattest Portuguese egg tart I've ever seen, and it costs around $1.
We got popcorn chicken.
This is a Taiwanese street corn. It costs $2 or 60 NT. This is a grass jelly drink. And that is the Xiluo Dongnan Night Market.
I really like all the different types of food here. I know it's mainly Chinese food, but there's so many different kinds. And the drink varieties, there's a ton of them. This place is endless. We thought we finished over there.
We never even explored the whole thing.
There's another like acre, I don't know.
I think this is my first time coming to a night market in Asia, and compared to the ones at home, everything here is way cheaper. Like, not even by a little. It's like the ones in America are kind of gimmicky, so they can overcharge you. And over here, it's so incredibly cheap. Oh my goodness. So yeah, this was a good first experience.
See you in the next video. Bye.